How we doing today, bro? Nice. I need you to tell me if I'm being childish or not. So I got these two t-shirts here for my friend, and he needs a 3XL. So I'm about to get on to sewing the labels now. But the thing is it childish of me if I didn't even buy any 3XL because he would. I don't plan on selling that many. Yeah, I don't plan on selling that many. But I have extra smalls. Was that? Yeah. I think I'm going to do it. So whenever he'll look at it, he'll want to put it on because he can feel like a petite babe. But only because I've run out of XXL, or never had to begin with XXL labels. That's the only reason I'm doing this.
Oh, the bread is ridiculous.
When you take a bite, can you give me the first thing that comes to your mind? Go on, articulate.
That's why I do voiceovers, because I've got to go away and think about it. I've got to process this.
There's every type of flavor that you could imagine right there. It's like a symphony. 50 motherfuckers playing at one time, but beautifully.
Like these little matchsticks in there, it's like they've shoved, like, you know, you shove like a good McCoy in a sandwich.
Yeah, it does elevate the crispy.
That's good commentary. Killed that.
Absolute legend. In the 11th hour, saved the shoot. Suitcases, 3 of them. Oh, this is gonna look awesome. I can't wait. I'm here at Boston Manor Park. Just about to get the first shoot done for Steel Made. Waiting for the boys to arrive. Beautiful little spot under the bridge. Nice little bit of construction. Let's try and make some magic happen today, man. See what we can do. See if we can make something shake. There's thing 1. Yes, sir.
Don't you know that there's no light with
shots of B and Dance by the bus stop as we're driving past. Real Hollywood style. I'm gonna test boy Tyler's camera skills.
Question. The fuck you be on? Burning these bridges, y'all niggas is nothing like my boy Leon. I need a bitch that's bad with an arch in the back, like the Art de Triomphe. Original power material. You're listening to the street. Lock down your area.
This is gonna be funny. You will not like it.
I don't know. I'm gonna get to try shit.
You'll try it, but you're not gonna like it.
I'm gonna do half of it. I'm gonna put it on half of it in case I don't like it.
It seems small. I would offer you some, but I know you don't like trying new things.
Oh yeah. Especially shit that's what you about to do. It's like some Australian, New Zealand.
Oh no, this is British, bro.
Oh, that's British. Oh,
The Australians and they eat Vegemite.
Vegemite. So this okay, same shit.
Same, yeah. Don't say that to Jordan though.
Yeah.
Like Jordan doesn't really like Marmite, but likes Vegemite.
This shit smells like Nutella.
You're bugging. Nutella.
No, actually, no, it's not. No.
There's not an ounce of chocolate in there.
I don't know what this smells like actually.
You don't need loads. But maybe a bit more than that. Yeah, you definitely need a bit more than that. Like get like a decent tip of the knife.
Yeah.
Oh. Tastes like medicine.
No, he put it like that. I ain't gonna like it.
Put some more. Don't be scared now.
I'm scared as shit right now. Oh God. That actually tastes weird as fuck.
Is it good or weird?
It's like sour. Bro, I don't know what the fuck that shit tastes like, bro. Like, it's really the aftertaste that really gets me, bro.
Have a verdict. The fact that you didn't go for another bite.
No, that's probably the worst shit I've eaten since I've been here, bro. No, hey, that shit's weak. No.
Oh, I forgot about that stick.
Not a fan.
Yeah, that's not it.
Pass you by. Heaven knows it's what you want every time.
Here he is. How they fitting? Yeah? Okay. Alright. We're almost there. Just the shoes and the socks. You're wearing it very well, bro.
I can't lie, I feel it, man. It's good. You know,
Yeah, you
they
like
say,
it.
man, you gotta keep it tucked.
Okay, I think I fuck with this, bro. How do you feel? Are we needing belt?
I feel sexy, bro.
Smashed it.
The S was way too big, but I tried.
The S was bold, bro.
I tried to make the S look like the S look.
You can have another crack at it if you want. Hey, don't break shit. What happened? The battery died. Damn, rookie.
Not loads, but like next time, I'm having one in my pocket, so I don't have to make this.
Rookie.
I'm not coming to Stratford for like a year after doing this. Shot still made though. Buy the merch.
A vision that you and I already see. Still made is a ship.
Oh, it was so good.
So, if you want to know what the real community means, it's 7 o'clock on a Wednesday. You get a phone call from Hunter Stan and Josh Dill saying, "Hey bro, do you mind just coming to Westfield or Stratford real quick and just like doing a quick video shoot?" 2 hours later, we're still shooting, but we're having a great time. Shout out Still Made. Go follow. Go buy a t-shirt. Go buy a hat. Shout out Josh. Shout out Huncho. Shout out the basketball community. We love you. Thank you for your support, for all the brands, everyone out there. Just big love, everyone.
I think this is an amazing display, don't you all agree? The basketball club has had huge success.
Bro, you're so cool.
We've had a historic year at Ballincollig Basketball Club. Our ladies team entered into the National League for the first time. We've over 500 members, boys and girls, and you can see a lot of them here today. None of this would be possible without a lot of volunteerism. Let's give them a big countdown. Can lightning strike twice? 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna do low shots, won't we?
I'm gonna sneeze. Just a little bit. Painful in my eye. Finished.
We can call that a wrap. Well done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.